Hello lovely people, welcome to Akosia's tasty recipe. I hope you're all doing well. So for today I will be sharing with you how to make this simple Fula or Fura recipe. Okay, yes, very delicious, and then I know you will like it, so stay tuned and let's get started. Okay, so what you need for this recipe is millet flour, peppercorn, and then cloves, ginger, and cayenne pepper. You can also use dried chilies. So in a blender I'm going to add the ginger, cloves, peppercorn, and then the cayenne pepper. Then I'll add 1 cup of water and then blend. So once I'm done, I'm going to separate the liquid from the chaff. I have extra 1 cup of water that I will be adding just to get out all that flavors from the chaff. Okay, but mostly I don't throw the chaff away. What I do is I keep it for my klo or kelewole. Yes, you can reblend it and then make good use of it. Yes, so once you're done, this is the liquid. Okay, very fine. So go ahead and then add it to your dry ingredient, that's the millet flour, and then give it a good mix until you have a smooth mixture. Okay, so this is the exact texture I'm going for. So once it's done, go ahead and then cover with a food lid or a food cover and then allow it to ferment for 3 days. Okay, so after 3 days, this is the mixture. Yes, remove the cover and then you could see some foams on the upper part. Okay, go ahead and then mix everything and then transfer it in your saucepan. All right, we're going to cook this like how we cook bangkong or eba. Please do not add any extra water. Okay, the water you use it to mix will do the job for you. So I'll be adding a teaspoon of salt, mix everything together, and then transfer this on the stove and then start to cook. Please give it a constant stir, just like cooking the bangkong or amala or any swallow that you've been cooking. Same method, all right? Yes, so once it becomes thick, then you start to do that African magic method. Press it to the side of the saucepan exactly to have a smooth mixture. All right, so at this point I'm going to cover it and give it 10 minutes to cook. Okay, the heat is just going to do its own magic. Okay, so this is the full after 10 minutes. So I noticed the pot was too small for the quantity I'm making, so I transferred it in a bigger pot. The color has changed, which shows that the Fula is done. So go ahead and press it again, and then once it's smooth, transfer it in a clean bowl. This is exactly how you would want it. Yes, and then get some oil and then smear it in your palms and scoop the portion that you want and mold it into a bowl. The oil will prevent the Fula from sticking. So once you create a round shape, go ahead and then rub the Fula in a plain millet flour. So repeat the same step until everything is done. Okay, so this is the final outcome and it's ready to be used. So I added 2 in a blender. I added ice, sugar, milk, and then go ahead and give it a blend until it's smooth. So once you're done, just transfer it in your bowl, cup, or anything that you want to serve this in, and then top up with some peanuts and evaporated milk. Trust me, this is healthy and very nutritious. I really loved it. Okay, I hope you give it a try, and thank you very much for watching this recipe. Please, if you do like this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share. Stay tuned for more and amazing recipes. Bye.